Remember, read and follow all labels and the owner's manual. Grinding in your manufacturing operation due to material cleaning, prepping joint bevels, or hiding weld seams can be necessary. However, unnecessary grinding is costing you time and money. Incorrect technique or inadequate joint access can cause rework due to inconsistent bead profile, undercut, and poor fusion, requiring the need to grind. Here are some ways to reduce or remove unnecessary grinding from your weld operation. When pulsing, use approximately a 45-degree work angle with a 10 to 15 degree push travel angle. A correct work and travel angle ensures proper fusion and bead profile. For tight joint access, there are a variety of gun neck designs available to help achieve better weld quality. For more information, visit millerwelds.com/deltaweld.